everybody, and welcome to Trisport, where we talk everything cricket, football, and motorsports. In this video, we're going to be discussing about what happened during the IPL weekend and what happened on yesterday as well. Well, let's get into the video.
Before we get into it, make sure to like and subscribe and comment down your video ideas.
Talking about CSK versus KKR on Friday, well, CSK got demolished by KKR with Sunil Narayan taking 3 for 13 and also scoring 44 runs, becoming the player of the match. Well, there was nothing more to talk about CSK. They were not doing well at all, but yesterday they did really nice, and we'll get to that later after going through the weekend's matches.
Well, on Saturday there were two matches. The first one was GT versus LSG. In this match, the openers of GT, Sai Sudarshan and Shubman Gill, gave them a sublime start and they got to 110, I'm pretty sure, in less than 13 overs. And after that, started the collapse and they kept losing wickets at regular intervals and could only get a total of 180, which LSG chased pretty comfortably, in my opinion, with Nicholas Pooran and Aiden Markram leading the way. The next match is PBKS versus SRH.
Well, this game was a thriller as PBK scored 245 in the first innings and thought they put this game to bed. However, you can never count out the SRH demons. With Travis Head and Abhishek Sharma's help, they got an opening partnership of 171, with Abhishek scoring 141 and Travis Head scoring 66. SRH chased this total with 8 wickets and 9 balls in hand. This was truly a thriller game, and I think this might be the start of an SRH comeback.
The first match on Sunday on the April 13th was RR versus RCB, the match of the two Royals. Well, RR got the first innings and posted a total of 173, with the top scorer being Yashasvi Jaiswal with a nice 75 and contributions coming from Dhruv Jurel as well as Riyan Parag. But it showed no match to RCB's top order as Philip Salt as well as Virat Kohli got their 60s and Devdutt Padikkal scored 1000 runs for RCB and also got a nice 40 to finish off the match. The next match is a thriller, MI versus DC.
What a game this was, MI versus DC. Well, MI was set to bat first, and Suryakumar Yadav, Ryan Rickerton got their 40s, with Tilak Verma scoring 50 and Namandir giving a cameo 38. And the Capitals were set to chase 206. They were confident enough going in with Karun Nair as he scored 89 runs off 40 balls and built a partnership with Abhishek Porel. However, after he got out, everyone started falling, and MI's bowler Karan Sharma took an astonishing 3 wicket haul. After that, they had a hat trick of runouts at the end to win the game. An interesting stat about the Mumbai Indians is that no one has won against them when they were defending a 200 plus score. Now, let's move on to the last match.
The last match that we're going to be discussing today is Lucknow Super Giants versus Chennai Super Kings. So, in this match, Lucknow in the first innings got a total of 166 with contributions from Rishabh Pant, Mitchell Marsh, as well as Ayush Badoni and Abdul Samad giving the finishing touches to get them to 166. And the CSK batting started off with a flourish with Rashid getting 6 boundaries in his debut and Ravindra gave a start but couldn't convert it. But towards the end, it was the big finisher Dubey and the goat finisher probably of in the entire cricket history, Dhoni, a 26 of 11 to finish the match and get rid of CSK's 5 match losing streak. Now we will be doing the prediction of KKR versus PBKS. So, guys, today's match is Kolkata Knight Riders versus Punjab Kings, and my prediction is that Punjab Kings will be clinching this game with star Shreyas Iyer as well as Nihal Vadera. These both teams are fighting for the top four position and haven't been in good form as they've lost their previous match against LSG and SRH respectively. And I think they will clinch this by a small margin. And that brings us to the end of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment on your video ideas. For now, try sport out.